going on, everyone? Today is the 11th day of February 2020. This is your trusted source of news. According to the price chart, we're going to give you all a price forecast, price prediction for Aurora Cannabis before its earnings. So that's why we're looking at this website first. This is from Earning Whispers, and it gives out the earning dates for many of the companies that a lot of people are interested in. So I wanted to start off this video by looking at this website here first. But before I do that, I always want to remind you that if you do appreciate our videos, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to our channel, and then join us on our website at hughfinancial.com. Go ahead and sign up, pick one of our packages, and then you'll be entered into one of our Bitcoin giveaways that we're going to start doing on a monthly basis. And it's only for our active members who follow us on our website. So if that sounds very interesting to you, make sure you head on over to our website, hughfinancial.com, pick one of those two packages that we have available. And once we do the giveaway, your membership has to be active in order to be eligible to win the Bitcoin giveaway. Okay, so let's get started though for Aurora Cannabis. And you can see from Earning Whispers that Aurora Cannabis is going to release their earnings on February the 13th. So we got about 2 days before the market digest a lot of the financial information for Aurora Cannabis. So let's try to get a head start and see whether or not this stock is going to move higher or move lower. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this website first. Many people are looking for Aurora Cannabis to have a loss per share, earnings per share around a nickel or 6 cents, and a revenue of about $62.2 million. Okay, so a lot of people not really expecting a lot. If anything comes lower than a negative 6 cents, the market in Aurora Cannabis will take a massive dump into space. Okay, now when you look at Aurora Cannabis on the price chart, let me start off with our last forecast for this stock. You can see we did it right here on the 5th of February with the expectation of Aurora Cannabis moving lower. And look what happened. It did precisely that. Because we asked the question in that last video, was Aurora Cannabis a buy? Because it was trading above that $2 location. And we made the idea that it wasn't. And currently, taking that forecast right there on the 5th of February, you could be up about 25.73%. There you are, right there. Simple to see, simple to understand. Being in that particular trade for what, 4 days, 5 days max, and you still could have topped out with 25%, 26% in profit. So let's get rid of it because we need to talk about what's going to happen in the market for Aurora Cannabis right here, the 13th of February. Let's start off with Aurora Cannabis looking at the weekly price chart, and we are still following our ultimate support line. Okay, last week was severely weak in the market for Aurora Cannabis. We got rejected at $2, which was formulated back here in the background of this chart as resistance as well. I mean, the market tagged that $2 level for plenty of weeks, and it continued to show itself as being a huge wall in the market for Aurora Cannabis. Weakness is here. No doubt about it. Will the earnings that's forecast to come out on Thursday, will it break support to the downside? That is very possible considering what has occurred over the last couple of weeks in this stock. We had numerous opportunities for the market to break above $2 and give us strength, and it hasn't done it. So I'm not bullish at all in Aurora Cannabis right now. The only caveat I would tell you is that I'm still looking for it to move lower, but there's a chance. Now, if I were to give you a percentage chance, maybe 35-40% chance that the market in Aurora Cannabis will hold $1.40. Okay, so when the earnings come out on Thursday, we might touch the support area and then find strength and move higher. But overwhelmingly, this stock is not reflecting strength at all. So much so that it is likely according to this price chart, that Aurora Cannabis is going to continue to see some lower price. Looking at Aurora Cannabis on the monthly time frame, again, that $2 location, since we are around the midpoint of February, is still showing massive strength to not allow Aurora Cannabis to break above it. So I'm still weakish in the market for Aurora Cannabis in the long term. So let's play this out. Based on everything that I just said, everything that you've seen, the market is not showing us any strength. So we're going to have to continue to play the market the way that it wants us to go, which is to the downside. So should you buy Aurora Cannabis before earnings? Based off this price chart, no. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this now. Bring this up just a tad. All right, so let's go ahead and do this now on our expectations into the market for Aurora Cannabis. So we would TP this market at $1.30. What's that, 35? Yeah, $1.36. We would TP the market, and that's about 11% market movement to the downside from where we are right now. So we're still expecting the market in Aurora Cannabis to hit that location. We are still looking for the market in Aurora Cannabis to continue to see lower price. We know that $2 was rejected. The market also is rejecting $1.80, and now I'm looking for the market to come and touch that $1.35 location prior to earnings. Now we might grab some strength there, and that will be a huge indication that the market will bounce from there and move higher, but we have to wait until we actually get that to play out, and we're not seeing that yet. So we're still looking for the market in Aurora Cannabis to continue to move lower. Your thoughts, your comments, let us know with a comment in the comment section of the video. And again, if you want more Bitcoin, definitely participate with us on our website, qfinancial.com. Pick one of our packages and you'll be eligible to win some Bitcoin. Make sure you always maintain a profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.